Namaste and Jai Jhulelal. I am Kamal Tolia. I have come all the way from Africa, from Nairobi, Kenya. I am a founder member of the Lotus Healing Seva Group, which is a Seva group for training people in Reiki and to give Reiki to sick people, the destitute, the old, the disabled. We have been in existence for 13 years and we have been carrying out the Seva activities all over the world. Today we are here to teach the Sindhi widows and their well-wishers here in the training of Reiki. We're going to teach them so they can look after their health and be happy and comfortable and healthy. Okay, this is our wish and we have been doing it for a long time. We came to India, we've been to Vrindavan, we've taught the widows there how to do Reiki on themselves and in Radhakund, and we are very happy to be here, very happy to be with our Sindhi brothers and sisters who have welcomed us so well, and we are so happy to do this Reiki camp today. So thank you and God bless everyone.
Namaskar, Jai Jhulelal. I am Monica Gokaldas from Nairobi, Kenya, all the way from East Africa, sitting in your city, Mumbai today. I am here along with my Guru Kamal Tolia from the Lotus Healing Seva Group. We have come to teach Reiki to the Sindhi widows. Yesterday I had the good fortune of visiting over a dozen houses where these widows are living with Mr. Gul Hinduja of Indusind Foundation, and I feel that this art of Reiki is now really going to help them, give them the strength, they look after their own health and the emotional strength which they really need and deserve. Having said that, I am also very grateful to the Sindhi Council of India who have facilitated this morning today to teach Reiki, and the Sahiti Brotherhood, and I am very impressed by the good work they are doing, and I feel proud to be part of this project by Indusind Foundation. Thank you very much. Jai Jhulelal.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so Monica, are we all ready now to do our training with these ladies here?
I think we are very ready.
Very ready.
We are very
yes,
ready.
we are ready.
And I'm so excited that we are teaching our own people now.
Yes, true.
We have reached all the way from teaching Kenyan slums and the orphans.
Yeah.
We are now
and
here amongst our own,
so,
our own people.
Yeah, this is a seva which was much needed. I think the whole effect will come out after we finish the training today, because they will feel so happy that they can help themselves and help others. By the way, what we are going to teach them is not only to heal themselves, it's also to heal others. They can put their hands on other people and make them feel well. So it's going to be something that spreads and spreads.
It spreads, and I think it will give them a spiritual upliftment as well.
Yeah. So
because all these widows seemed very spiritual when I went to their houses, as you saw also. With very devotional and all. I think this will enhance their spiritual effects as well.
Yeah, and Reiki is such, it heals not only at the physical level, mind level, emotions and spiritual level. So it's the best gift somebody can give to themselves, and the best gift we can give to our fellow women. And we are very happy to see that there are lots more people, not only the ladies, but a lot of men as well coming here to learn, and it's going to change your life. Believe me, it's, as I said, it's the best gift you can have for your life, for your whole life. It's never going to go away. It's going to be your gift, your power, with which you can heal yourself and others. Okay?
Yeah, the only thing is that they must continue practicing what they learned today. And someone from the Indusind Foundation maybe or Sindhi Council can keep an eye on them. That will be really good. That keep guiding them that continue with your practice and all that, and that will be so good. And I'm happy we are also able to help financially to a certain extent, giving some gift to each widow. So which
monetary as well as in kind. That's what we are going to give.
Which also helps them financially as well.
All right. Okay.